I was teaching with my community today and the question came up about putting a retaining wall through here. And I sort of wondered whether there was a quicker way rather than using a wall or using a retaining wall object. And so I tried out this curb tool. So this is the curb object, and I found that I've preset the extrusion for this curb object. So there's a point there, and I'm just snapping to my site model at the moment. And we'll stop there. And it creates my wall. Now I've just told it to use an extrusion profile. So let's have a look. I'll just show you where I set that. Curb settings. Here it is here, rail profile. So I've used this one here. It's my extrusion profile. But actually it's really easy to edit. So if I look at this and I say, okay, let's have a look. What we need to do is we need to edit the extrusion component. At the moment it's 3 feet 11 inches high. So this just needs to be about 34 inches high. Not 34 feet, 34 inches high. Let's exit my group. Straight away it's updated my extrusion. The other thing I'd like to do is to edit my extrusion component. Where's it gone? Here it is here. Let's have a look at it. Wouldn't it be fun if we just added a sort of a bullnose to the top edge of that? So let's just select those and we'll go add surface. Let's exit. And you can see I've added that extrusion to my retaining wall really quick. Okay, what else could we do? Let's have a look. Why don't we chamfer this? Let's grab hold of this. We'll use our reshape tool. Grab all of those handles here. Let's just move them all back to give a tapered wall. Now I've got a tapered wall. And this is just really quick, and it sinks to the surface really easily. And so it can follow my surface if I want. I can make it go up and down. There's the reshape tool gives me all these options for changing the height, changing the edge modifier. I can edit positions, so I could lift that up if I need to. I can pull it back down to my site model if I need to. So it's really flexible. And of course I've got gravity. So I can actually snap that down to my site model if I want, really quick. So have a look at the curb tool. Next month we're covering this in detail in the community. I'm going to start writing the manual today. We're going to describe how to use it, what the settings need to be, and next month we're going to have 3 webinars on using the curb tool. So I hope to see you there. Don't forget, I'll put the link in the description so you can see how to get access. Thanks for watching.